Hi, welcome back to the Not Only Carrots cooking show. I'm Leah, and today I'll be blending up for you the Berrylicious Smoothie. It's from page 86 of my brand new cookbook. No, we don't only eat carrots, plant-based food for humans. To begin with, you'll need to chop up one large frozen banana. In the Thermomix, you can cut large chunks like this, but in a regular blender, you want to be slicing them more like this. Those blades have trouble blending in a regular blender if they're too thick. Okay, pop them into the Thermomix or into your blender along with 1/4 cup of frozen raspberries. You can also use fresh raspberries if your blender is a little on the weak side, but it will still work. Just the more fresh fruit you add, the easier it is for the blender to blend it. Now, if you want to go for more of an ice creamy texture, go for 1/2 cup of soy milk, which we will do today. Thereabouts, yep. But you can add up to 1 cup as well if you want a smoother smoothie. It is called a smoothie after all. Now, in the regular blender, you'll be blending that on a high speed for roughly a minute, maybe even 2 minutes, depending on how long it takes for those ingredients to all blend in and become nice and smooth. If you have a spatula or a tamper that has an actual protective edge on it, you can use that in your blender as well. No Vitamix do that, but don't just use a wooden spoon or anything, because I have done it before and you end up with bits of wood in your smoothie and it's not good. Now in the Thermomix, we'll blend that on speed 7.5 for roughly 30 seconds, and I'll use my tamper if I need to encourage that blending. Bring the speed up gradually. It's good. Okay. Oh, looks so good. Yum. I have a family who adores these Berrylicious smoothies, and we actually make about 4 or 5 times this recipe, and it ends up being almost 2 litres worth of smoothie. It's a really lovely, thick, ice creamy texture. But if you prefer it thinner, add that extra soy milk. It still tastes great. Come on, blades. There we go. Delicious. Okay. I probably didn't need quite as big a glass as I got. If you do add your extra soy milk, you'll end up with your full glass. But this is our ice cream texture and it's so yummy. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. As I said, you can double, triple, quadruple this recipe. It will continue to work. Please do be careful with a regular blender. You can make the smoothie, just make sure you add enough liquid to encourage that blending. Let us know what you think of this recipe. We have it all the time. Please leave us a comment below and we look forward to sharing more recipes with you next time. We'll see you then. Bye.